We are putting in the after hours today. It is 6:07 p.m. here on a Saturday. We're just got a customer that's complaining that his water heater is down to like 7-minute showers. He's pretty confident it's the heating element. I'm pretty much confident of that too. But we're gonna do the full process. We always replace both heating elements, and we do the thermostats just because we don't need a call back on that. So we're gonna bang that out and see how that goes. I'm hoping that I have all my tools for it. I'm a little bit concerned about that, but we'll see. So what do we got? I don't know. It's gotta be like 4 or 5 years old. I freaking love working on new stuff. This evening is going to be real good if we can get this out. Okay. Super easy. That guy right there. Scaly. Oh, this'll be the question. Please be easy. Please, please, please. Yes. Yes, yes, yes. Oh, this one's bad. This one's real bad. You can see that break right there. That's your fault. And it kind of blew up here too. Super scaly. It's hard to see it, but there's a pretty good pile of scale in there. So we're going to try to suck that out a little bit before we put a new unit in. We are going to be putting in these guys right here. So this is same concept as this, but this is a low density unit. So you can see there's almost twice the, see, this is just one level right here, one layer. This is two. And the idea is that this is going to disperse the heat more, and then you'll be less prone to hot spots like this where it blows up. Anytime you do this, don't forget that O-ring. Nothing to it. Slide her in nicely. Tighten her down. We're just looking for a little more than hand tight on these. There you go. Like hand tight plus a quarter turn. And then I always replace both thermostats when I do these jobs because I don't want that bad element stressing out that thermostat and then getting a call back in 3 weeks. Because I've had that happen. These are just universals. Is what it is. Did I not bring a freaking wire strip? Oh, darn it. We're going to do the same with the upper thermostat too. Sure would be nice to have something other than fingers, but you get what you get, and you don't throw that fit, as the kids are taught. Here's the old one, new one. They have temperature ranges on these new ones. I usually set them to like 125. This just says hot or very hot. My water at home is 135. This is always fun, right here. This is like, I don't even know if this is 12 gauge. It might be 12 gauge, but we have to have 10 gauge wire. The manufacturers get away with 12 gauge. It's ridiculous. Look at that. Now put this in here and the cover. Same plan on the top. This is the low density unit. Remember the O-ring. Make sure she's good there. When you are putting these in, there's like a little metal tab there. Put the wire between the tab and the screw. You don't want to be in between the plastic and the screw, because then it'll pooch out, and that plastic will give you flexibility there that you don't want. Whenever I'm doing a thermostat up here, I always take a picture, or you should take a picture. I remember how to do it now, but you just want to get your wires all right. They do have these diagrams online, but they're kind of hard to find. Same deal. Temperature, we're going to set that to 125. Oh, we'll just go a hair higher. There we go. Put that guy in. Here's the old one. Old, new. We are not going to cover this up until we get it energized so that I can test voltage. We're not going to energize it until we fill it up. So we're going to open that guy up, and we're going to open the TNP, and the air will rush out of the TNP, and we're just going to let it hiss until it squirts out water. We are filling up. Valve is on. TNP is open. I'll shut this so you can kind of see what happens here.
A few moments later.
All right, I'm going to pop that valve open. You're going to hear it hiss here. So it's displacing air. We're going to let it run until it splooges just a little bit of water out. Okay, we got water pressure on. Tank is full. We're going to try flushing the unit to see if we can get any more scale out of it. I'm going to put it in that bucket so we can try to get a visualization. The bucket's empty. Relatively minimal stuff in the bucket. Here goes water pressure. All right, let's drain her out, see if we got something. See, there is some scale in there. So the flushing tactic does work. The problem is it needs to be done just about every 6 months. So now we're just gonna run it in the drain for like 5 minutes just to try to get something out of it. Gotta get those stickers.